Hello folks, TF2 and Mike from the GeekCast Radio Network. Visit geekcastradio.com for all your podcasting needs from me and Steve Megatron and Optimus Solo and Comic Concierge and all the other people that we work with. I thought I recorded the video for this, but apparently I didn't, and apparently I only got 2 stars on it when I played it the first time, so let's give these tortillas a run for their money. Maybe we can have them run to the border. And I love the color changes. I have to say that immediately right off the bat. I do love the lighter backgrounds, which sounds weird, but I'm loving the color change. It makes seeing the tortillas a lot easier.
I have the power!
So there is that. A rare commentary track for me on a tortilla level. Normally I only do the commentaries on the mud levels, but I figured I would need to do a commentary on this since I apparently didn't record the video the first time. But I like these levels. They're fairly easy for the most part. I don't need these ones to be super challenging, because with my vision, they kind of already are super challenging to see the dang tortillas. But so far, hey, look, I only have 3 tortillas left.
Holy crap!
And right now, I can see them all. Hey, why didn't that turn into anything? Oh. 1 tortilla left, and yes, I do. Hey, look, it's already gone. Quick level. Awesome. 1169. You're going to get a commentary on 1170 as well. And I also wanted to do this commentary here because I got to say to the developers, I do not like the ads every 5 levels. I don't like the ads there at all, because it immediately pops up as soon as this screen is over. I want the option for us to do an ad, so we have the option to control when the ad starts. I just don't like it automatically starting. But that's just me, I guess. I don't know. Or, heck, for me personally, I wouldn't mind buying a subscription to the game, so I wouldn't have to worry about ads. But again, that's probably just me. Love y'all. Catch y'all in 1170. Oh, look, 1170 is a mud level. Remember, folks, geekcastradio.com. See you later.